Hello friends, today we'll learn how to create very simple PowerPoint presentation and we'll see how to run it. So let us start from the very beginning. In the desktop area, you right click the mouse. The shortcut menu appears and one option is available here, new. Come to this option and another sub options will be available. The menu is containing one option, Microsoft Office PowerPoint presentation. Click here. So immediately you will see one PowerPoint presentation file is being created on the desktop and you have the option to rename it if you like. So we can rename. I'm leaving it as it is. Now open it by double clicking it. See how it opens by Microsoft Office PowerPoint program, and immediately the features, options, everything are available in front of you. And see here, as the menu is available, different portion of the program, I'm telling you. At the top, the name of the presentation is appearing. This is the title bar. Just below this, menu bar is also there. Home, insert, design, animation, slideshow, review, view, just like this. So come back to home button. So we are at the beginning. Here, just below that menu bar, the menu related ribbon options are coming. So now come to just below that ribbon, you will get the slide option, and by the side of this, here this is the slide editing area. Slide editing area. So as it is a blank presentation, no slides are being created so far. Now you can click to add first slide. If you click here, one blank slide will be created and that will appear here. So the current slide will be available in this area and the slides that are created so far will be available one by one in this area, in slides area. So now let us see. In the blank slide that we have created right now, it's containing two components. One is the title of the slide, another one is the subtitle. So what we'll do, we'll change the position. I'm just moving and we'll give the name to our presentation, the title one. I'm giving my name as just like my journey to presentation. This is the title of the slide I'm giving you, and subtitle, I'll elaborate this one. Come to subtitle area here, click here and type anything that you like relating to the presentation. The details of how to create, edit, save and run a PowerPoint presentation. So this one makes it more meaningful as to how we are going to and what we are going to do with this presentation. So let's see. As the title and the subtitle is already being created, we will make it more beautiful by beautification, by adding some beautification to it, just adding different font, different style, different format, color, text, everything. So my journey to presentation, the title, I'm selecting the entire text of this title and changing it to any other size, any other font, anything that I like. So let us see what are the fonts options available with me. A number of options are available. So I'm selecting this one. And what I'm doing, I'm making it bold. See, and how it looks like. So both are same for this particular text. Now come to color. I'll change the color for this one. Any color for the text looks attractive for you, you can go for that. I'm coming to this one. My journey to presentation. The subtitle, I'm selecting the entire subtitle and changing the color to any of the available color scheme. Okay, so that is how the title slide or the first slide looks like. What next we'll do, we'll add another slide. In the slide area, I'm coming and right clicking it, and on a new slide is being created. In the niche, if you make new slide to the current slide, here again the title of this slide has to be given, just like I'm making it adding text to slide, and I'm just elaborating it. We can add text to any slide of our presentation by the menu option, insert, and and add text. So this is how the explanation goes, and let us see how another option we can select for the adding of text. Now come to insert text box. Here, click this text box is created by menu option. Menu option, how insert menu, from insert menu, then add text box. So this is how we are coming to this particular point. Let us see. This text box is added. This way we can edit this text box by selecting the text available within it, and we can make it bold. We can change the font. We can change the style, color, everything. Okay, and other options also. We can change the formats also. We can change the color, style, and any other visibility of the text. So let us see in this slide what we have done. We have created the first slide. I'm coming back to first slide. That is the title slide. Again, we have added one new slide. I'm coming to second slide. In the second slide, we have added some text. Now it is the time to go for the third slide. And how we can go to third slide? We have to come to slide area. Here, right click, new slide. One new slide is being created. So what we are supposed to do in third slide that recently you have created, my plan is to add some graphics here. So let us see how graphics can be added to any blank slide or any existing slide. Here I'm giving the title for this particular slide as heading graphics. And here this text area I'm just deleting as it is not required for this slide. Or if it is deleted, I'm coming it back by undo. Okay, so I'll give one short message here, just like heading graphics is so easy with PowerPoint that from menu option you can select the kind of graphics you need. There are a large variety of different graphics available. As per the need of your presentation, you can select any kind of graphic. Just like I'm giving you a very small example here, and before that example, I'm going to reformat this particular title. Just double click here. After double clicking, automatically the menu option changes to format. Format is a menu option available at the top. See how PowerPoint presentation program responds to your clicking. Any of the preset formats you can select for. Just like suppose I'm selecting this one or any one. Adding graphics, I'm right clicking here, and this particular title I need a outline of this kind or this kind. This subtitle also I need some format for it, and for that I need an outline of it, so it looks like this. And just below a very little I make this area, this text to be less in size, so that for graphics I'll get some more space. I'll make it this. So I'm making some room for graphics. In this blank area of this slide, I will put a couple of graphics. Graphics that I includes very small line arts like this. Insert, go to insert and go to shapes. Select any kind of shape that relates to your presentation. I'm selecting this smiley face. I've added one smiley. I'll edit it now. Any preset format I can select, or individually one by one component of this graphics you can also edit. So I'm selecting this preset one. Come to this another blank area where we'll put another graphics of different type. Insert smart art. Any smart art that you like. Suppose this one, gear. So what I'm doing, just resizing it to accommodate this within this space. Okay, so I have got a gear of 3 wheels. Maybe sometime I need this kind of graphics in any of the slide of my presentation in future. So each of the wheel is having the capability to hold some text as per the requirement. So here by the side, one text area is there where text of this gear and this gear is coming. Here also directly you can edit. Suppose here I'm writing 1, in the second I'm writing 2, in the third I'm writing 3, and just leaving it as it is. Now I wish to change the format of this gearbox. How to do it? If I double click it, immediately a number of preset options are coming. We can change any type of available options. So let us settle with this one, and color also will go for this one. This, it looks nice now. See how it is looking like. So from the very first slide, if you count, it was the title slide, how I'm going to create a very simple presentation. The first one is okay. Then second, how to add text. We have added one text box and we have edited that. We have reformatted it. In the third one, we have added some graphics. Okay. Now it is the right time for adding some animation to our slide components. Just like go back to your first slide. Here, see, title and subtitles are there. I want, while running my presentation, I want this slide will move a little. It will come to screen from either side, from the top or bottom. So for that, what I need to do, select this one, insert is okay. Now come to animation. Okay, select this title, come to animation menu. One option is there, custom animation. If you click custom animation, one custom animation dialog box appears here. The options are available. Add a effect. In the entrance, what I need, I need that to fly into the slide. So we'll reformat once again. On clicking, it should move from button. The direction is available, and it is very fast by default. So we'll make it very slow. It will look like this. Why the title is moving from below to its current position very slowly. I'll make the subtitle to move from the top. I need the subtitle to move from the top to its current position again in the reverse direction. So select this one, add a effect, fly in. So I'll change the default options, default setting. I need that to be from top and the very fast, very slow. So the first slide will appear like this. Go to the second slide. I need all the component of the second slide. Need to show on the slide from the left side. So what I need to do, again select this one, again select this one and add a effect of entrance fly in from left, very slow. It should look like this. The same effect I'm going to add for the second component. Again, entrance fly in from left and very slow. For the third component, the same thing. Add a effect of entrance fly in from left very slow. So in the second slide, what we have done, we have added animation to its slide components. And let us see how the third slide containing the graphics will look like. So the same thing I'm not going to do for adding graphics and the explanation. Both the text box I'm keeping it as it is. For the graphics one, the smiley face, and for the gearbox I need to give the animation. So select this one, select add effect, fly in from right very slow. And here the gearbox also add effect, fly in from right very slow. So far we have done that much only. Now it is right time to run the slideshow and see how it is looking like. From the very first slide, I'm making a dry run of it. See how the slideshow is appearing on the screen, and one by one, as per our preset, they are animating itself, moving. So finally, what we'll do is the background of all the slides are white. We can add some format to the backgrounds. So come to design part. A number of preset designs are available. If you select any of the design, the background white color will change accordingly. So if you move your mouse to any of the design, immediately the current slide changes itself and shows you the PowerPoint response accordingly, and it shows you how it would like to look like. A number of options are there, so I'm planning to go for this one, my journey to presentation with this. So immediately what happens, the first slide looks like this, second slides also changes a little, and it continues this way. So lastly, I would like to add one more slide to thanks my viewer. Keep a thank you message and delete this one. Again, you move it to middle of the screen and go to home. Just double click, give a format. Thank you format, and that should be animated to fly in from button very slow. For this session, this completes the way we are creating one presentation, and will finally save it. As it is being created on the desktop, as you recall, the same file gets saved, and now again from the very first slide we'll make a run and close this session. See, it is moving very nice. As per the requirement, you can change the moving speed, and other animation options are also there. Some effects are also there. I have tried the very basic one. See how it is coming up. As I didn't give any animation to both the text box here, as you recall, they are appearing immediately without any movement. The smile is coming accordingly. The gearbox will be coming accordingly. And finally, the thank you message will come. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.